problem based on weighted price aggregative. Okay, so you have to solve, compute class phase, Parshes, Marshall Edwards, Barbich-Wallace and Fisher's price index number for 2000 from the following data. So this is your question. Okay, commodities given A, B, C, D, E. Prices are given 6, 2, 4, 10, 8. Quantity 50, 100, 60, 30, 40. And for 2000 price and quantity is given 10, 2, 6, 12, 12. Quantity 56, 120, 60, 24, 36. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is your null solve. Okay. You have tried on this much is the problem. This is base here. First solve, write this much and one more time solve. Okay. So 1995 is the base year and 2000 is current year. CY and BY. Okay. So base year means price means P0, right? So price means P0. Quantity means base year quantity is Q0. Current year means 1. This is P1 and this is Q1. Okay. So still we need 4 extra columns to be solved. One, 2, 3, and so this blue part, what I am doing with blue chalk is my solution. Okay, I am extending my columns and here for totaling we want some space. Okay, now how to solve? Okay. Now make the columns. Okay. First column P0, Q0. Okay. Possibilities on what? P0, Q0. This one column. Next one. We want P1, Q0. Okay. P0, Q1. We can do. And last one P1, Q1. All possibilities you have to do. First one will come always price, then quantities. Okay. Now P0, Q0. You can do second P1, Q1 also. Here and there changes you can do, no problem. Okay. But while solving that formula, that total only we have to take. Okay. So it is not fixed. This column should come here. This column should not come here. Okay. You can take alternative here and there. But at the time of solving, what formula we need, that total only we have to take. Okay. So P0, Q0. Then second possible Q0, P1, Q0. Next possible P0, Q1 and P1, Q. There are 4 possibilities we can do here. Okay. So as we are writing this P0, Q0, like that you have to multiply. Now see here. Okay. Now what is the column P0, Q0? Here is, so this column into this column you have to multiply. Okay. Means P0, Q0 column you have to multiply. 6 into 50 is 300. Okay. Next 2 into 100, 200. 60 into 4, 240. 10 into 30, 300. 8 into 40, 4 exam 30. 8. Okay. Then later on you have to do all this column. First we will see here P1, Q0 column. Here it is P1 and Q0 column. P1, Q0. These 2 columns are. Okay. P1, Q0. These 2 columns you have to multiply now. 10 into 50, 500. 2 into 120, 240. 6 into 60, 360. Okay. Then 12 into 24, columns, P1, Q0, P1, Q0, these two columns. Then P0, Q1, these columns. P0, Q1, P0, Q1, these two columns. Okay. 6 into 56. 6 into 56 is 336. Okay. Then 2 into 120. 240. Next 4 into 60. Again 240. 10 into 24. Again 240. 8 into 36 is 280. Okay. This is very easy. Okay. Just you have to go on multiplying that columns. P1, Q1. So P1, Q1 current year. These two columns you have to multiply. Okay. 10 into 56, 560. Okay. This problem, it's very easy to solve, but you get more marks. 10 marks they will ask. Then last 2 into 120, 240. 6 into 60, 360. 12 into 24, 280. 12 into 36, 400. Okay, we got all multiplication. Now the thing is that you have to total the columns. Okay, now first column P0, Q0. When you are totaling, you have to use sign summation. P0, Q0. Okay, same you have to write. Okay, total this column. Okay, and the total here is 1360. Okay, verified. Next, P1, Q0 summation. P1, Q0 is equal to total this column. Answer is 1900. Next column summation P0, Q1. Total of this column is 1340. Next P1, Q1 summation P1, Q1. Total of this column is 1800. Okay. If these answers are correct, then only your formula when you apply, that time only answers will be correct. Otherwise, if here you are done on this step, then later on next steps are will cover the. Now we'll solve one by one. First one. Okay. Now first one is what? Last space price index number. What is the formula I told? Here. P01. Last space means L. Formula is, you have to write like this. See. Go shortcut, summation PQ divided by summation PQ into 100. And what number I have assigned to last space? 1000. 1000 means 1000. So this one is very easy to remember. Okay. Now apply, put the values in this formula. What is the numerator summation? P1, Q1. Now see here. Where is summation P1, Q1? Summation P1, Q0. Here it is P1, Q0. Answer is how much? P1, Q0, 1100. Next, summation P0, Q0. Here it is summation P0, Q0, 1360. Into, okay, now simplify 1900 divided by 1360 into 100. Okay, so answer summation P01 for last space is 139.7. Okay, this is last space price index number. Okay, here I have to solve all 5 index number. KLS price index number, here it is not applied. Okay. Now second one, purchase. Purchase price index number. Okay. Now formula, right? Purchase P0 P01 past tense means P. You write like this: summation PQ divided by summation PQ into 100. And what number are assigned to past tense? 1101. Okay, 1101. Okay, 1108. 1101. Okay, now put these values. What is summation P1 Q1? Summation P1 Q1 1880 divided by summation P0 Q1. Now P0 Q1, see P0 Q1, okay, 1344 into, okay, next step. So P01 past tense is equal to, okay, answer 139.8. Okay, use calculator and see. Okay, same answer. Okay, next, third one. What is third one? Marshall Edwards. Price index. Okay, how I got right? P01 Marshall Edwards ME. Okay, what is the formula? Here numerator and denominator both plus signs will come. Okay, so see here how to write numerator part and here plus. Okay, here last space, here past tense formula. First how to write it? Summation PQ divided by summation PQ. Summation PQ, summation PQ into 100. So we have done a base. Okay. Now first part is last space. Last space is 1000. 1001. And second part is past tense. 1101. So our formula is ready now. Okay. It's very easy to remember the formula. Okay. Use my tape. Okay. Next. Now put the values. Summation P1Q0. P1Q0 1100 plus summation P1Q1. Summation P1Q1 1800 divided by summation P0Q0 1360 divided by summation P0Q0. Summation P0Q1. Sorry, P0Q1 134 into. Okay. Now simplify. First put plus, then divide, then multiply. Okay. Yes. 1900 plus 1880 is 3780 divided by 1360 plus 1344 is 2704 into 100. Okay. Then past tense index number Marshall Edwards P01 yummy. Correct answer. So 3780 divided by 2704 into 100. Answer is 139.7. Okay, so this is Marshall Edwards present. Now fourth one is Darvish-Wallet. Price index. Okay, formula P01 Darvish-Wallet means D. Okay, here both plus plus will come, numerator and denominator. Here only in common one. Okay, so here plus, this side last space, this side past tense into 100. Okay, like this into 100. Last space into past tense. Okay, sum of last space into past tense into 100 is Darvish-Wallet. Okay, shall I start? Summation PQ divided by summation PQ. Here also summation PQ divided by summation purchase 1101. Okay. Now your formula is ready. So implement the values. Summation P1 Q0 1900 divided by P0 Q0 1360 plus P1 Q1 1880 P0 Q1 1300. Otherwise you can see these values only, your only common 1 plus. Okay, so bracket complete into 1. Okay, now simplify. One more is half you have to write. Okay, half of class space plus purchase into 100. This is the formula. Don't forget this half. Okay, now half I'll write as it is. This divide 1900 divided by 1360. Okay, P0 Q0 okay. So your answer is 139.71 plus this one 139.88. Otherwise you can see your okay. This now simplify this one. So you have to solve like this. Half of 1900 divided by 1360, that is 1.39. Okay, next one plus 1880 divided by 1344 is 1.398 into. Okay, now simplify it. Half of total of brackets is 2.795 into 100. Okay, now make the half of this, that is 1.397 into 100. Okay, now answer you can tell here, that is Darvish Bole. P01 is equal to 139.795. This is Darvish Bole price index. Okay, now last one we have to solve Fisher's price index number, fifth one. Fisher's price index number. Okay, so P01 Fisher's price index number formula. I told how to remember square root of last space into purchase. Last space formula you have to put. Last space 1000 into purchase summation PQ divided by summation PQ 1101 into 100. Okay, you can do like this and put the values from this table and simplify, or else you can simplify the formula also. Okay, so formula last space into purchase summation P01 last space into summation P01 purchase into 100 means into 100 means you can put directly these answers, or in first formula you can put these values and simplify and get same answers. Okay, so your answers are ready. Alright, square root of 139.71 into 139.88 into 100. Okay. So answer So multiply this, it will comes to around 19530.60 into 100. Now remove the square root. You have to put this number on the calculator and press square root. You will get the answer 139.74 into 100. Okay, that is 1.3974. When you multiply with 100, 139.74 is Fisher's price index now. Okay, you can take this formula or you can take this formula, both are correct, but this is the method you have to tell. Okay, you can simplify later on, but this here you have to put the values. Okay, P1 Q0 is 1900, P0 Q0 is 1360. Okay, divided will get answer. Then P1 Q1 1880, P0 Q1 134. Now simplify this one formula, you will get same answer. Any method you can use, better take first one. Okay, so hope you understood the first problem. It's very easy. You have to remember the formula. Okay, past chase formula, first one last space. You have to write summation PQ, past chase, last space 1000, then past chase 1101 into 100. Remember this 100. Then Marshall-Rydberg, both numerator and denominator both plus last space plus past chase into 100. Darvish-Polle, half of last space plus past chase into 100, and Fisher is square root of last space into past chase into 100. Okay, so this was my first problem I have solved. Tomorrow I will solve one more problem and then I will give for practice. Okay, thank you.